A lock and leave base with low maintenance gardens and lawn that capitalises on almost every lifestyle benefit that this beautiful location of Mosman Park has to offer. Hi, I'm Trent Vivian and welcoming you to 9 Laing Lane in Mosman Park. Entry off the laneway will typically be through this generous sized garage with quite a lot of storage, and at the front of the home there's a modest sized grassed area that's perfect for small kids and pets, and then running down the side of the home here is a paved alfresco area that gets a great amount of northern sun. Stepping inside the home, you are greeted by nice open dedicated spaces that's complemented by this high street hybrid flooring and great ceiling height throughout. The master bedroom is at the front of the home, is a decent size with inbuilt robes, a makeshift second walk-in robe and a modest ensuite bathroom. The kitchen is open plan, has plenty of bench space, storage, gas cooking, dishwasher, and remains connected to the living area, plus the outdoor fresco area if you love entertaining guests outside. The living quarters consists of 2 bedrooms, both with inbuilt robes and ceiling fans, a second bathroom and a laundry that has direct access outside. Finally, the location and the amenities that you can walk to are almost in every direction. 200 metres to the Mosman Park Shopping Centre, 300 metres to the Mosman Park train and bus station, 320 metres to get your next coffee at Berlin, and of course 750 metres until your feet hit the golden sands of the West Australian coastline. I look forward to showing you through shortly.